Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you the simple steps to reformat your memory board should you ever encounter a reformat memory request. Start by connecting the link to the studio. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Options tab in the top menu bar. We are going to scroll down to the difficulty setting. In that drop-down option, make sure to select either Expert or Engineer mode. Next, we are going to click on the Tools tab also in the top menu bar. We are going to scroll to the bottom option and click on Connection Tools. In the drop-down that opens, we will then select to reformat the memory board. To confirm this selection and start the reformatting process, we will click OK on the pop-up window. Now, when the Success pop-up window is shown, click on OK. Next, go back to the Tools tab in the top menu bar. Scroll again to Connection Tools, and this time, select Resync. Note that when a reformat of the memory has occurred, this will delete your downloaded profile packs as well as take any fan speed trim back to 1.0000 factory setting. You will need to reinstall your profile packs and do a fan speed altitude calibration for your location before you start to roast. And that's a wrap. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks for your link. As always, happy roasting.